your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily create your own reply. So if you want to make a quick reply with your own reply, so how you can create it. So for creating it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to tap on phone, and here you need to find respond with text, so just tap on it, and here you will see 3 lines, so you can add a new reply for every line, so it will automatically save it. So for example, first it will be hi, second yes, and third no. So now just tap on return, and here you can see that it successfully saved our 3 options. So now you can here you can see these quick responses will be available when you respond to an incoming call with a text. Change them to say anything you like. So now it will, if you choose quick reply, you will choose one of these quick response, so your own response. So this is a way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.